Welcome back to Travel Check-ins with Jermaine and Saida. Today we want you to join us as we explore Nairobi, Kenya. We are searching for some fun things to do and also entertaining things to do when we are not working, and we're going to show you what we were able to find. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to go in here and check out what movies are available to see if they have updated movies to watch. Scan and download the Century Cinemax app. You can get it for Apple. Okay. Oh, they got Alien Romulus. That's out now. Blink Twice with Zoe Kravitz. And I forgot Tatum somebody? Okay. You can. And what about Wolverine? Don't we want to see Deadpool and Wolverine? I got the matter of fact, I'm glad this is the movie theater at Junction Mall. So it looks like they have a lot of new movies. Oh, they are open for matinees. This is so modern and so nice. Oh, so they have one where they're showing Alien 7:30 to 10 p.m. Oh, and matinees they're showing cartoons. So it's Cinema 1 and 2, Cinema 3 and 4, and they have concessions. So nice. Okay, you the boss? Yeah. You seem like you're the boss. Okay, so right. So this is Game Zone, and it's located where?
Stellato Mall.
Stellato Mall.
Vivi Road.
Okay.
Third floor.
Okay, and the hours are roughly
from 11 to 8 p.m.
11 to 8 p.m.
This is our manager.
Oh, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Oh no, you did too soft.
That is what happens.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we play basketball, but basketball, yeah.
So in here there's like multi-sport simulation. You can play golf.
Okay. You can play
basketball,
soccer,
archery.
You can do some shooting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Okay, so we were thinking about moving to the area. We need a place to kind of come to and relax.
Do some fun things.
This is the place you come, spend your time. Not too crowded. I mean, like you get the service you want.
Okay. Yeah, we don't want crowded.
You don't want a crowded area because you also need your own attention. You want to spend your money.
And then you can do bowling.
Just relax.
You do bowling here.
Order your food and sit somewhere.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah. I like this atmosphere.
You want to listen to some music? You can play your own music, Bluetooth. You can use your phone. We connect you. We have speakers everywhere. Just enjoy your music.
Okay.
It's like your place.
Okay.
Listen to what you want to.
Okay, we're gonna tell people about this on our YouTube channel because we're trying to tell them about different things to do here.
Anytime you guys want to go by, maybe you can call, see if we're here.
Okay. Right now we're staying right next door to the Hyatt, so but we're thinking of kind of, like I said,
Trying to find a place to stay.
So yeah, I like this is the third floor. Right?
This is like part of Hyatt.
Oh, it is.
This is Hyatt?
It's somehow part of Hyatt.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
That's why when people want to like.
They have pool. You can play pool in this area. Got foosball. Got games. They got trampoline park, basketball hoop. Got rock climbing wall.
Service is great over there.
Got games. Climb up in here, trampoline. Oh, this is for children only. I was gonna go in there, but no, you can't go in. It's for children. They got bouldering. Got games. Skateboard. Hello. And then over here Here they have VR games. This one he said is like a jet, so like you're flying a jet, and the game kind of turns left and right. You can kind of sit in there. This one he said is his favorite, and this one here is like you can do boxing in here. He says shooting games, basketball games. You put on the VR headset there, and then once you put on the VR headset, you can play in there. That one, I think that one was a motorcycle, he said. So you can go in here and you climb up in here, you put the VR headset on, and then it's like you're driving in a motorcycle. And then the one over here on this side is like, this one he says like a roller coaster. You put the VR headset on and you get inside. He said this thing turns 360, so it'll spin around and flip around. We're gonna try this. We're gonna go eat first, and then we're gonna come back and do a few things in here. They also have like Xbox and PlayStations you can sit and play games. So I think it's about $25 per person. I think he said it's about $25 per person. Jermaine and I are having such a great time learning about Nairobi, Kenya, and figuring out what our place is here in this country. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for following our journey. Thank you for supporting us. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel now so you can stay up to date with our newest videos, and we can let you know all of the amazing things we are learning about Nairobi, Kenya. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below and let us know what videos you want to see more of. If you have any specific things you want to know about Kenya, let us know and we'll try to get those videos out to you as well. Thanks, guys.